Toto Wolff backed to snub Lewis Hamilton replacement despite Brit's glowing endorsement. Toto Wolff has been warned against bringing Valtteri Bottas back to Mercedes as a stopgap replacement for Lewis Hamilton by Express Sport readers, despite the seven-time world champion labeling the Finnish driver as the best teammate of his F1 career. With Hamilton joining Ferrari at the conclusion of the 2024 campaign, Wolff has pinned his hopes on signing either Max Verstappen or Carlos Sainz for next year and beyond. However, with the former unlikely to leave and the latter challenging the under-pressure Sergio Perez for the second Red Bull seat, he could be left empty-handed. In this event, Mercedes could reignite their partnership with Bottas, who spent 5 seasons with the Brackley-based outfit between 2017 and 2021, collecting 10 Grand Prix victories in the process. A one-year contract for the 34-year-old would allow Wolff to keep his options open heading into the 2025 silly season and assess the future of teenage starlet Kimi Antonelli, while also having a known quantity alongside George Russell who would deliver consistent results. However, in a survey of 3,288 Express Sport readers, only 44% believed that Wolff should consider bringing Bottas back to Brackley on a one-year contract, with 56% suggesting that the Silver Arrows chief should consider alternative options.